If you want to manage tasks faster, stay organized, and save time switching between apps, then integrating ClickUp with Gmail is one of the smartest moves you can make. And in this full guide, I'll walk you through the entire process step by step so you can start creating tasks directly from your inbox. Let's get started first. The goal of this integration is simple. You want ClickUp to work directly inside Gmail so you can turn emails into tasks, comments, and actionable items without leaving your mailbox. Once it's set up, everything becomes smoother, cleaner, and way more productive. To begin, open your browser and log into your ClickUp account. Head over to the ClickUp website, click Login, and enter your email and password. If you've forgotten your credentials, just use the Forgot Password option to reset instantly. Once you're logged in, you'll land in your ClickUp workspace. From here, click on Home. This makes sure you're operating inside your main or personal workspace before setting up that integration. Next, go to the top right corner, click on your profile icon, and open Settings. This is where all your account preferences and integrations are managed. Inside the Settings menu, find and open the App Center. Think of this as the central hub where ClickUp stores all third-party integration options. Since we're connecting Gmail, look for the Email section. Under the Email category, select Gmail and click Configure. This is where the actual connection begins, and ClickUp will prepare to link with your Google account. Now choose Sign In with Google. If you use multiple Gmail accounts, be sure to pick the one you want ClickUp to manage. Grant all requested permissions. This ensures ClickUp can convert emails into tasks and sync everything properly. Once the connection is complete, you're ready to use the integration. You'll now be able to take incoming emails and instantly convert them into ClickUp tasks, comments, or follow-ups right from Gmail. It's a huge time saver, especially if you handle a lot of communication daily. And don't forget to revisit your email settings occasionally to make sure everything is running smoothly. And that's it. You've just integrated ClickUp with Gmail using the updated method. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to like the video, subscribe for more helpful workflow tutorials, and drop a comment if you want a full automation guide next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.